Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making milk with noodles. This is a very easy to make dish, as you will see in a moment, and you will love it and your children will love it as well. So without any further ado, let's do this. So these are the ingredients that I will be using for this meal. I will be using 1 liter of milk. I will be using this thinner kind of noodles, and I also will be using a little bit of salt. And of course I will sweeten everything with this honey. After pouring the milk into the pot, you can turn on the heat, and as it gets up to the boiling temperature you need to stir it so that it's not burning to the bottom of the pot. When the milk begins to boil, then you can put in the noodles. In my case, these noodles will be ready in about 2 minutes, but depending on what kind of noodles or even pasta you are using, this can take more or less time to be done. You need to check the boiling time on the packaging of your noodles or pasta. You need to keep on stirring until the noodles are done, because the milk can burn very easily on the bottom of the pot. So this is the finished noodles with milk. I will just put it in this bowl. Perfect. Now I will sweeten it with a little honey. And that's about it. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.